Welcome to our deep dive into the sphere of additive masterbatches. If you're in the plastics industry or just curious about how everyday plastic products get their enhanced features, you're in the right place. So what exactly is an additive masterbatch? Think of it as a strong blend of organic or inorganic compounds mixed with pigments, all designed to boost the properties of your plastic materials. Imagine you're manufacturing outdoor furniture. You need it to withstand harsh UV rays without fading or breaking down. That's where our anti-UV masterbatch comes in, protecting your products from the sun's harmful effects and extending their lifespan. Let's talk about heat insulation. Our heat insulation masterbatch comes in high transparency, low transparency, and carbon crystal variants. Whether you need a clear finish or superior thermal comfort, there's a solution tailored for you. And for those working in the tech space, our anti-blue light masterbatch filters harmful blue light from screens, making devices safer and more stylish. Our halogen-free flame retardant masterbatch enhances fire safety without compromising material integrity, perfect for electrical appliances and construction materials. And if you're in the medical or food packaging industry, our antibacterial masterbatch inhibits harmful bacteria, ensuring hygiene and safety in every product. From military and aerospace applications with our infrared absorbing masterbatch to creating stylish anti-fogging surfaces, additive masterbatches are flexible and essential. They not only improve product performance but also simplify the manufacturing process, ensuring consistency and cost efficiency. Whether you're aiming for better durability, enhanced aesthetics, or superior functionality, additive masterbatches have got you covered. So why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your plastic products with additive masterbatches? Dive into this game-changing technology and watch your products reach new heights of excellence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the latest in plastic manufacturing innovations.